Good morning. How old are you? 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 I am 5 years old, 6 years old, 7 years old, 8 years old.
Conversation 3. Good morning. How old are you?
Good morning. How old are you?
I am 7 years old. And you? How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
Goodbye, my friend.
Top 3. Talk to your classmate.
What's your name?
My name is Sam.
How are you?
I am fine.
How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
Read and complete.
Hello, my name is Sam. I am fine. I am 6 years old.